Guys, welcome to the channel 7S26 Simon. It's been a short while since I have done a video, and I figured why not go to Bugforge and let's do a challenge. I've not done any for probably a couple of weeks, maybe a week or two. So I have basically, let me just bring you up to speed. I've ordered a pizza and I have not yet got the flag. So my history is, as you can see, I've ordered 2 pizzas and I didn't see anything obvious. I have come back to the homepage and I can see there's a coupon. So I'm going to add my 3rd pizza. Let's just intercept, hit checkout, and promo code. Looks like I can enter that in here. Apply, place order. Okay, let's hit forward. So we get a code, found as 20, post request. Let's take a copy. Maybe we can apply this multiple times for the same pizza. Okay, $12.99. How much should the pizza have been? Okay, so it's going to take $2.60 off. Let's hit forward. Okay. I'm still not seeing the discount applied at this stage. Okay, so that was really weird. That was really weird. Because I'm not even sure that applied the discount. Let me just click orders. Turn intercept off. Yeah, $12.99. But we do have an option to reorder, so let's try reorder. Let's paste this in and see if that does anything. Was that the one we've just ordered? Reorder. Subtotal. What should the subtotal be? $12.99. Maybe we can reorder, change the price here. I don't know. Get orders. Okay, it didn't change the price. Let's go view the details. So when you hit reorder, it just simply reorders the same pizza over and over. So we see a post request here. Let's go back to the original page and let's add to cart. 20% off your first order. Apply at checkout. Let me just go back to the checkout. Promo code, apply. Okay, so that has definitely taken the money off. Let's hit place order now. Okay, now it has applied the discount. Let me just check something real quick. If I go back to one of these orders, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe that was a bug. I'm not sure it took the money off some of the other orders. Anyway, so we've got a pizza that's $10.39. Do we just reorder the same pizza with the discount code? Let's try that. Let's go ahead and hit reorder. Let's paste in. Oops. What was the... Let me go and find that previous code. Maybe we do need to apply this again. Who knows? Let's try that as a post request. Okay, that did not apply the code. Okay, so It seems to me that what we're probably going to have to do here is we're probably going to have to apply this coupon here. So let's hit go to repeater. Let's send this to repeater. And what we'll do is we will reorder the pizza, but not before we've added one to cart. So let's go to the cart. Let's add a pizza and go to checkout. Founders 20. Apply. Okay, that's kind of what I wanted. So let's go ahead and hit forward. You've already used this coupon. Okay, we've already used the coupon. So when we go to this endpoint, API coupons apply, it says we've already used the coupon. Founders 20, $12.99. Okay, that makes me think that it is something to do with the reorder tab, the reorder button. Because we didn't experience any error messages with this one. So, reorder. Let's just see what happens one more time. If I forward this, it just performs a GET request. Okay, so I think we've got to reorder the pizza. And I think we need to... Oh, do you know what it could be? Do you know what this could be? This could potentially be a case of we need the content type, which is JSON. Because we do have a content type there. I know we... Yeah, we don't have a content type here. Yeah, okay. I saw application JSON earlier, but I realized it just says accept. That was not the content type. Let's forward. Okay, it didn't accept the... Did not accept this. So let's hit view details. Order received. Okay, let's go back to our orders, our post request, reorder, our edited request. Let's send that to repeater. And is there any problem with that? Let's try it again. Order placed successfully. If I hit this again, 17. Okay, so with this request, we can just reorder pizza after pizza after pizza. And this is not taking off the money. So if we go and do $10.99, okay, coupon reused is false. Are we able to add... could we add coupon underscore code like that, maybe? There we go. We got it. Interesting. So there is the flag. And basically I had to change that to coupon code, which I had eventually seen in that post request. So interesting lab. That was interesting. It was a case of getting to this post request here, one that would eventually kind of work and get me some response back. I could reorder the pizza again and again. I realized it says coupon code was null. So I just essentially... Let me just go back and check the history, because I just want to look at an older order. I feel like I should have spotted that sooner. I feel like I should have spotted that sooner. Coupon code null. Let me just do a search for coupon underscore code. Apply. Coupon code. Null. Okay, it's been null for most of these, but I didn't start using the code. Ah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe I missed that. Maybe that should have been a bit more obvious. Yeah. Okay. So the lesson here is just to make sure that when you... It was actually hiding in a post request to API orders, and it was this coupon underscore code. Okay, and that would have done the same thing. Awesome. Well, I hope this was, this was a tutorial where I kind of showed you my workings, my methodology. I obviously hadn't seen the solution before, so I kind of hope this helps someone just to kind of see some kind of methodology, how I was trying to logically work this out, and eventually we got there. Eventually we got there. Thanks, Alex, for a great challenge, as always, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.